Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Don't be overzealous with this, but right here is the F250, I call it. It's a 97 F250. I think it's got a 2-inch lift on it. It's got the 350 FE in it. Runs really well, actually. Runs really well. It's got some rust, but what we're going to do today is we're going to clean it all up. As you can see, kind of hit it with a little bit of compound. If we hit it with a little bit of compound to see the paint will come right back. I'm going to pressure wash the whole thing off now in the middle of a snowstorm because that's how we roll, and get it where it's all nice and shiny. I'm going to go start it up for you guys. Check it out. Oh, she's tall. All right. Yeah, that sounds good. Horn doesn't work, but oil runs good. So we're about to start waxing the F250, see if we could bring some shine back out of it. I was taught how to wax a car pretty simply. I mean, it's just wax on, wax off. You don't want to let the wax sit for too long, maybe a couple minutes at most before you take it off, before it really dries out and gets real hard to take off. So we got just some basic hard shell turtle wax, my favorite, grew up using it. Some clean cotton cloths to get it off with. So what I'm going to do is just kind of get some on the pad, right, like this. And I'm just going to apply it in semi-even splotches around the truck, right, now that it's on. And I'm just going to get to rubbing it in. You want to go in small circular motion, put that down, right, and you want to work that into the paint. We might do a couple of coats on it, but for now, let's just see what happens if we do one. And you want to apply a little bit of pressure. You don't want to be using Hulk strength on it, but enough to be cleaning, because really what this wax is doing is it's peeling off a small layer of paint. You can see it's green. Peeling off a small layer of paint and polishing it. You want to take it off. The real polish and shine happens at this stage here when you're taking the wax off. You know, small circles, a little bit of pressure. You're gonna take some paint with it, especially with this old paint. A little bit's gonna come off. But if you can see already, it's coming right around. All right. Try and keep the little circular motion. I know some people use the machine. I grew up using my hands. This is what we used to do on the weekends for fun, is shine the cars, get them looking real nice. So that's how you get the nice looking vascular arms and everything, is you get in there and you sweat a little bit and you polish it. You can see on the left side, we buffed it twice. Right side, we haven't touched it. It's got a lot of flaws in the paint, definitely not going to come back to new, but she looks a lot better already. Alright boys, it's good enough for tonight. I don't know how many chamois we used. I know we used damn near a full tub of that turtle wax on it just to get 1 and 2 coats. Let's say 1.5 coats. Some places we did twice, some places we only did once. And it looks nice. I mean, it looks real nice and wet. Brought a lot of the shine out of it. Some parts of it look damn near brand new. Other parts of it are pretty oxidized, and you know, I don't really want to try and take that out, because what'll happen is you put enough compound, you'll just get down to bare metal and it's going to look funky anyways. So I'd rather it have a little bit of patina from age than have missing paint from compound. And what this wax really showed is different parts of the car have been sprayed. I mean, the front of the hood here has been sprayed. Around the fender wells have been sprayed. But really brought some nice shine out of it. The parts of the paint that was in good shape is real nice and shiny. I mean, it's just silky smooth now to the touch. I don't think we're done yet, but it's looking great and good enough to call it for today. That's a wrap, guys. We worked in the shop for a couple hours. We cleaned up the F250, the F250. Got it looking pretty good. The next part of the project is spraying bed liner on the bed. You know, of course, scraping off all the little bits of rust. And I think we're going to take the hood off, compound and clear coat it just to get it to really shine. But that's all. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.